I'm Michelle Doms. I'm the territory sales manager and a rental coordinator for Stevens Point and Tomahawk areas. As far as the rentals go, customers that only need it for a short period of time, even just one day at a time, versus a lease where you're locked into a cost. Then this way you don't fluctuate the cost versus the rentals as well. We do 1 to 5 years typically on the leases, and rentals you can have it for as little as a day or you can have it as long as a few months. We handle all of your maintenance needs. We take care of the registration. We can include substitute units if you have no downtime then at that point. So everything that can be as far as the maintenance side of things, you put that onto us versus having all that stress on you as a buyer.